Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I shoot this lip combo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing some lip combos. We are going to be doing this lip combo here, and we are going to be doing this lip combo. We are going to be doing two different lip combos for this particular look. This is a very simple makeup look. So guys, let's get into it. So guys, let's start. I'm going to be using this lip palette. I'll be going for red. So guys, let's apply lip gloss. So this is it. So guys, let's go to the second one. I don't know if we should go for nude color. I don't know the color to go for. So let's go for purple. So guys, let's line it. No, I think all color fits me. All the color I've applied is matching. So what do you think? It's plenty. It is. It's the fact that all lipsticks fits. It's the fact that all lipsticks is giving what it wants to give. Is there any other thing you want to say? Is there any other thing you want to say? You know you guys have a lot of words. So tell me, is there any other thing you want to tell me? Hold it. Hold it. I'm good. I know I look good, nigga. You don't really have to tell me any other.